Yep. Have you ever wished you can make some of your tracks, one or more, stay to the left or to the right? This video is here to help you do that. I'm in Proto. This is alloneprostudio. My reverb is here. Delay 1, reverb 1, delay 2, and reverb 2. Let's say I need this one to stay one side. That's when I move this thing, the delay does not move. No. So what I need to do is to come to this dock. Now it's to the middle, so that's why it's here. So if I move it, it moves with everything. So I go there, right click on it, dock to the let's say left. Yeah, so it will come this way. Now when I move the track, it stays there. Nice. So can we try to dock to the left? Okay, I double click and move to this side. To do that, and I come to dock to, this time let me put it to the right, and all of them goes to the right together with these guys here that never leave. So now when I move to left or right, this one stay permanently on the right. Let me see these ones that always stay on this side. You know, these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 normally stay to the right. So let's dock them. Dock to the left. Oh, it's not to the left. So I can decide to move this remaining 3, move them to the left. All I need to do is now double click or hold Ctrl and click. Left. So they are now all to the left. Really simple. Okay, I can now bring this one to the right. Let me bring this one to the right. Yeah, my stuffs are now to the right, and the ones that usually come to the right are now to the left. Great. So Control click there, and I'm going to say dock to middle. Okay, look at them. They are here now in the middle. I can now use them in the middle. Can you believe that? I can even move my master. Dock to the right. Alright, my master is now to the right. Dock to the middle. Now where's our master track? It's in the middle. I can put everything in the middle, including these ones, if I want. And now you know how to do it. Dock to the middle. So have all of them here. Dock this one to the left. Oh, my meter. It's not docked to the left. I can put it in the middle. Dock to the middle. Now let's go and look for it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, let me dock it to the right. Dock to, sorry, to the left. So that's it. Hope you've gotten a thing or two from this video. I used FL 20 in this video, but you can do this in other versions of FL Studio. We have great beats on Bandcamp. I'll leave a link in the description of this video so you can check out some of our great beats. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section of this video. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. I'm in Proto. This is alloneprostudio. That's it.
Proto Beats.